Hi, I'm Dan Lebrecht, Commissioner of Public Works for the Region of Peel. Public Works does a lot of great work in the community for you and your family. Our work is required to meet the growing needs of the Region of Peel. It has to be safe and reliable in everything we do, and just as important, we have to respect our environment. Let's go behind the scenes with some of our staff and show you what we do.
Hi, my name is Joe and I work with the traffic engineering team. Pedestrian safety at intersections are a priority for us. So part of my job is to find out ways on how to make intersections more safe. Here at Airport and Clark, we have a new paint scheme for crosswalks. Crosswalks that look like ladders. Ladder crossings are more visible for pedestrians and vehicles, making the intersection safer. We painted several intersections with ladder crossings and plan to paint more in the future, improving pedestrian safety.
Hi, I'm Jennifer. Part of my job as a water quality specialist is to make sure you get clean and safe drinking water. Here in Cheltenham, we pump the water from 2 wells and we treat it. The treatment of the water is controlled and monitored 24 hours a day by a computerized system like this. Water quality is important, so we test for over 150 contaminants, things like bacteria and harmful chemicals. But we also test how the water tastes and smells. We do all this to protect your health and to make sure your water is safe and clean.
Hi, I'm Hari. I work in the material testing lab. I analyze and test all kinds of construction materials. Concrete is one of the materials I test. This is a sample of concrete taken from a construction site when the concrete was still fresh. When the concrete is hardened, I check its strength in this machine. A huge force pushes the concrete until it breaks. This test proves that the concrete we use on the construction site meets the strength requirements. We want our roads and sidewalks to last for a long time, so we test it to make sure it will. This will keep them safe by preventing the cracks and other problems.
Hi, I'm Kathleen, and I'm a pollution control inspector. I work with companies across the Region of Peel to help them properly dispose of their liquid waste. It's important to prevent them from getting into Lake Ontario and possibly polluting our water source. I review lab reports for wastewater samples from different companies across the Region of Peel. I check that the samples don't go over limits of what can safely be treated at the wastewater treatment plants. If there are any issues with the samples, I contact the company and help them find a way to fix the problem. Our inspections help protect the source of our drinking water.
Hi, I'm Gavin. I work in Development Planning Services. I'm a member of a team that carefully reviews plans for new development such as homes and businesses. Before construction begins on new homes in a subdivision like this one, we look at how the plan fits within the larger community. We figure out how traffic is affected and how new roads should connect. There must be enough water and wastewater infrastructure to support the people that will be there. We also make sure that environmentally sensitive land is protected. Sometimes, the plans must change to meet these needs. Once the new plans are approved, that's when you'll see construction begin. We look at the big picture to ensure that new communities are safe and well planned.
Hi, my name is Shawnette, and I worked as a household hazardous waste operator at our community recycling centers. Household hazardous waste includes batteries and expired medications should not be put in the garbage or in your recycle bin because they can harm the environment. When you bring these items to us, we categorize and store them here. Contractors then pick them up, recycle or dispose of them in an environmentally friendly way. Let us all do our part by keeping the environment safe and clean.